Good morning, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're packing the car, getting ready for a 12-hour trip and driving to Austria. And the car is already fully packed, check it out.
It's open. Push it. Oh man, that's sick.
Ready to drive. Yo man, sunrise just in time. We're on the A12, crossing the whole country in one lane. And check out these beautiful views over here. Alright, update. We just filled up our tank all the way up. Still in Germany. Still have a lot of Germany to go. God damn it, why you're so big, Germany. On the Autobahn we had a tiny bit of traffic, but we're doing good. Going 120, 130. Not bad. 8.5 hours to go. Heart of America. From Africa. Perfect at the event, so we'll see about that. He's helping me. What's going on here? Breakfast! To make most efficient use of our time, we're having breakfast in the car. We're having chocolate krusli with some milk.
How good is it?
It's about 6 out of 9.
Pretty nice.
Stolen from Africa, brought to America. Said he was fighting on a rival.
We're having a small lunch break over here. Put up the hammock because it's really fucking hot, so it's time to chill out. Let's go chill in the hammock, bro.
Yeah.
Come with me.
Let's chill in the hammock. So we are having just a little break. We still have like 5 more hours to go, and then Alpenrauschen. Here we go.
Whoa! Austria! Oh, and the road's better. Good.
We just arrived in Austria.
Oh no, we need a vignette.
Oh,
Fuck that. Yo guys, so we're just in Austria. Our tank is empty, but the good thing is it's €1.26 over here per liter.
it's pretty cheap.
So we're just filling up Pluto right now. Gonna throw her all the way full because it's super cheap over here. Check it out, 129. 129. Hell yeah. She's doing good. We're almost there. Would you look? Let's swim. Welcome to somewhere random in Austria. We just arrived with the car. Time for a fresh swim after a 10-hour drive, and then we continue to Alpenrauschen.
Oh, it was motherfucking cold.
It's raining. It's probably gonna rain the whole evening, but hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be better. That's the hotel over there. Walking up now. We're gonna have some dinner.
Wednesday evening.
Get a night rest.
I'm eating dinner, and it's fucking pouring rain outside, so the road is fucking wet. Let's hope for the best for tomorrow.
And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
We're at Alpenrauschen. At the second hotel over here. And look what we found. A sled! I'm gonna go down. Yeah, send it! Oh yeah, get it.
I'm really jealous.
These guys are using my massage machine at the Alpenrauschen freeride with a view like this.
Alpenrauschen,
Okay, so if you want to make someone move really hard, you do the following. Apart from this, you go here. Oh my god! What the fuck? That is the Robert Dildo machine. Fucking on pizza.
Stay the night. Welkom bij de Robert Vlog.
This is the second night, or actually the first night of the first skate day. And tomorrow is going to be the second skate day. Party is already quite lit. I took my speaker out and we're having a party, we're having a blast. Tomorrow the weather is also supposed to be good and we're going to skate the whole day as well. What do you think, Rose?
I think we're gonna be lit tonight and then tomorrow.
You're going to be a good marshal?
Oh, yeah, for sure. As long as you don't crash.
Good night. We're going down to the track. Felix is bookboarding down. And it's sunny right now. Yeah, big shout out! I can feel my Jewish fun. What up? Good evening. This is the second evening, and we're walking to a lake because these crazy British people want to swim.
You savage goose.
Hello. Hello.
The same works with leeches and super. So if I
No,
shoot
it doesn't.
myself with
So you shoot yourself twice.
So guys, where are we at now?
somewhere in Austria.
No, Berryland.
Ah, my eye! Do you have a ride?
Yeah.
What's that?
Fucking Elliot Macy.
Place to jump in.
Oh, you mean the lake?
Yeah.
that's a lake.
Oh, a lake.
Are we there yet? No.
Yeah, we're gonna climb up that one. Okay, so the plan changed. We're not gonna walk the mountain because it's maybe gonna start to rain. But we're chilling here at the lake.
You are the biggest goat herder I've ever met.
I ejaculated. I just watched.
No.
Did you watch?
Hey Ben, what are you doing?
Alright, this ain't gonna scare me, but fuck it.
This is skate day 2.
Hello, people.
We're having lunch. Enjoying the track. It's a really awesome day.
We're in the morning of Hawaiian Friday,
It's Hawaiian Friday. Everybody's wearing chill clothes.
except me.
Skating is going well. Hey Grace, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
How's the weather?
It's pretty awesome. Can you have a look?
Guys,
Don't
you want me? Oh!
What did you order here?
So I ordered a fucking salami pizza, and
But it has big bulges.
big ass bubbles. That looks pretty cool.
So anyway, the event ended.
We just did the last run.
Yeah.
It was a fucking nice day.
The day was pretty good. We had a lot of sun, but also a lot of rain. Couldn't really make up its mind, just like women. And now we're gonna chill here tonight with Jenny.
Say hi.
And then tomorrow, let's see what we can do. Maybe camp or hike or whatever.
Or I do fun stuff like eating M&Ms.
Best point on it is we all in the family. Everyone's feel it every day, and we love to do what we do every day. We love this skating shit. Please go on skate events and doing exactly this shit. Thank you so much.
The last skate day was super awesome. We shredded in different kind of conditions. And Felix hasn't got enough of it, so he's continuing to skate. Let's see him shred.
Oh, it's so funny!
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So, dude, what happened to you?
I've got no idea. I was drunk.
What the fuck?
That's from last weekend.
Oh, okay. Walking on a sick path over there.
Switch riding.
Look at that view. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm back to normal.
Sick track over here. We're walking. The sun is going down. Beautiful. And we're going up there. We've got cookies. And when we arrive up there, we're gonna watch the sun go down, eat the cookies, and vlog on our GoPro. While at the same time vlogging on my phone. Let's switch. Felix found us.
New Uber driver.
Yeah!
Thanks, Uber driver.
We're going up by car.
Going up. We're going up. Oh, the cookies. We should go to the lake.
Yeah, let's go.
That's like hula hula. No, that's like hula hula. That's like rock and roll. Yeah.
I'm looking for you some much more beautiful lake.
Driving through water!
Bay fruit.
Let's just pull it on the
Oh, attach yourself.
What are those? What the fuck? The whole road is covered. Moo!
Yo, boys, let me move, please.
Get the fuck out of the way.
Come on. Come on, guys.
Oh shit!
You got, let's go for a beer.
Oh yeah, drip!
Yeah, let's go for a beer.
Scoot! We found the meaning of beautiful. It's right here.
Run to me like, man, do you have any drugs with you? Like, no, man, I have a Swiss. I'm just like.
So, Ben, what are we gonna do now?
So we're currently going to help out the BMS crew, clear down, get the protections, get the protection put away.
The buddies, cleaning up the event, putting all the safety mattresses up in the van. Ben is doing a good job, and Jasmine is. Hello. Is it me you're waiting for? Going down.
Check dit, al die matten. Ja, als je hem zo doet, zie je al die matten.
Oh shit.
Kijk hoe close hij bij zich afkomt.
We zijn nu off-road in de truck. De teringlijp er weg aan het rijden. En dan gaan we al die matten even afproppen.
Ja, Marshall life.
Dude. Kijk hoe sick stout het is.
The only thing keeping us alive is France.
Should we stop here or?
Nah. Holy shit. So Louis just got us to this fucking house on the way from Alpenrauschen to Innsbruck. We're gonna stay here tonight. This is a family member's house. It's beautiful, check it out. So we're staying here with about 4 or 5 skaters. And everybody is a good skater, so we're gonna send some sick hills tomorrow. Boom. Did you tell me where we are?
I have actually no clue, but I think we are somewhere in between Innsbruck and the Tauplitzalm, because we just left from the Tauplitzalm today. And now we are in a beautiful place, a beautiful apartment. We just did some skating. It's quite chill. Big ups. Talk to Louis. Fucking hooking us up. Talk to Louis.
Dude, what do you think about this? Check out this awesome living room.
We're going to sleep here today. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm uploading my run.
Ooh.
360 run. Yeah.
Check out that run. We're gonna show it right. Hello, and we are at the second skate day. The weather is super good. We're gonna skate a run with a little bit of freestyle, free ride, and a little bit downhill. Everybody's enjoying the day. And I'm riding the alternative Trauma W. And some Premier wheels. And we're gonna do a run. It's a Y Friday.
Who is behind this?
Hello! Hello and welcome to the second skate day. Enjoy the weather. Yes! Felix.
Load up on guns and bring your friends. It's fun to lose to pretend she's overboard. Now again, but it's fucking sick.
We found an awesome road. We're skating today with the crew.
It's not even on Google Maps. It's like a secret road.
Yeah, super
But
nice.
it's gnarly because there's like these fucking things in the road where you have to early grab over.
Let me check out the road, show it to you. We're in a beautiful valley, and down there you can see whee, all the way left, right. Oh, it's beautiful. So now we're skating down, and Felix already fell twice, but he's okay. Here we are at the beautiful spot. Small road here. We're all sending it. Going down smoothly. Louis Priester. So we're back at the rider's house. I got a little wrecked. I fell a couple times. Seems like we're driving to Innsbruck. No.
So much flies.
A lot of flies over here. Motherfuckers. And then we're gonna chill over there. Tomorrow we drive back home. So, let's go. Setting up a random camp in this wooden hut we found. We hiked to the top of the mountain, but there's no view at all. Pluto had to overcome some crazy ass steep shit, but we arrived. We're gonna sleep underneath this tarp. He's gonna go on the floor. I'm gonna go in the hammock. And tomorrow we hope to see a sick view. Let's see how it turns out. Send it! There's no echo, eh?
Echo, echo, echo,
Oh.
echo.
There it is. Driving with Pluto to the camping spot and look for ta-da! We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down. Hell yeah!
So we're now at the top of the spot and we're gonna do a photo session. Let's do that.
So right now we're in a hailstorm somewhere in the mountains. It's fucking crazy out there.
Wow, dude.
Where are we?
We're in Kutai.
Kutai.
It's in the Austrian Alps.
We're in a fucking hailstorm in the middle of the valley. I don't think it's such a good idea to camp over here.
Ah, we're gonna go down.
We're gonna be fucked. Holy fuck! Well, we just drove all the way from Austria, from our camping spot in the mountains, to Scheveningen in Holland. And today is the last day. Tomorrow you leave by train.
I leave by train to Paris
And
go back to normal life.
today I'm showing him Den Haag, Scheveningen. We're chilling, having dinner. And thank you very much for watching. It was awesome. See you in the next one.
Bye bye.